Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's episode, I'm going to show you how to complete KYC on Pi Network. So in order to complete KYC on Pi Network, all you need to do is make sure to stick with us till the end and follow the instructions guided. Now then, to begin with, first thing first, log in into your Pi Network account. After that, it's going to direct you to the home page where you need to go to Balance Dashboard. While you're on that page, you'll be taken to the interface, which is going to look something like this. You need to scroll down a bit and go to Malnet checklist. After you click on it, that's going to direct you to the interface that looks something like this. So once you are directed to this page, you need to scroll down a bit and you'll need to go to the step number 5 that says submit your KYC application. Go ahead and tap on it. As soon as you begin with this procedure, that's going to direct you to the web page that's going to look something like this. Here, go ahead and select the icon that says KYC.pi. Now to begin with the procedure, go through the terms and conditions, enter in your ID and all sort of details that has been asked, and click the continue button. Next, you'll have to provide in your documents. Since you are verifying your KYC, make sure that you provide all of the information that has been asked, such as government ID, take a clear picture, make sure to verify your face as well, and click the let's go button. Now then, to begin with, you'll have to go through 3 steps. That is, first of all, you need to provide in your documents and all sort of things. So go through the interface and click the I am ready button. Now you begin with the verification process. So all you have to do is just submit the information that has been asked, and as soon as you complete it, then you'll be notified with a statement that. So that's basically how you can complete a KYC on Pi Network. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.